Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations. Today with the Fort Worth Fabric Studio, and this is going to be the giveaway. I know that Stephanie and Kristen have both had their videos up. Stephanie's given hers away already to a winner. I do not know about Kristen yet. So this is what the kit looks like, and this is what will be coming to you. Now I'm going to leave this video up for one day, and then I'm going to shut it down, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a name, and then we're going to go forward with that. So if you want the kit, please let me know that you want it, because I know that some of you just want to make a comment about it. Pattern is free on their website. It'll come out on Monday. Let me open this package, and I'm going to take a look at the fabric and show it to you and give you the dates and everything, because this is going to be running for 5 weeks. Alrighty, before I show you the fabric, everybody will be getting one of these little bags in the packet if you get it. Alrighty, just to give you an idea how big it is. And now I'm going to show you the fabric that's down here on the board. And I have the little slip here, which you'll be able to see. Here's all the different fabric. Patterns are going to be posted weekly on Mondays at www.fortworthfabricstudios. The patterns will be posted weekly on Mondays, only on Mondays now, at www.fortworthfabricstudios.com. You can get it each week. They put out 1 week's worth of pattern. Click on the digital patterns in the top bar, choose Dark Flight, and then go ahead and join the exclusive Facebook group so that you can see everybody who's sewing along. And this is called Dark Flight Quilt this time around. Now the dates are August 29th. I'm going to show you. Here's the black fabric we're going to be using. And this is a cream color here. So as you can see, the dates are August 28th, September 5th, September 12th, September 19th, and September 26th. And we'll have the entire top done on the Monday, the 26th of September. Here's the long arm quilting service that Fort Worth Fabric Studio uses, and you may use them also. They have free return shipping. And her name is Laurie Brady. All right, so I wanted to let you know that these shirts, they're selling these shirts this time around here, which is the tie-dye shirt. Looks like a great big huge, let me move the camera down here. It makes me think of a sunflower, the way that that design is right there. Okay? So they've got them on their website, and I'm going to show you the website here. I have it up on my iPad, so it looks like this. Hopefully there's not too much glare. That's what the page looks like when you get it up. And then you go to digital patterns, and that's the one that you're going to select on. So all you have to do is tap it. And there you go. Let me back it up a little bit. And then you can select it. It tells you what all you need. And then this pattern goes along with it. Now these are the crows. Now they are not a piece of the pattern of this quilt, but this is a matching table topper, and you can purchase it. Right now they still have some on their website, and their downloads are going to be activated August 29th. That's week 1, September 5th, which is week 2, the 12th, the 19th, and the 26th, just like our quilt is going to be. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to have, this is my background, which is a cream color. I think you can make it out. And along with this package that I'm going to mail the winner, I'm making something myself to give away to the winner. And it's going to be in this package. I'm not going to tell you what it is. As a matter of fact, I don't think I'm going to tell anybody what it is. The person that receives this is the one that's going to know. If they have a YouTube or a Facebook and they want to show it or tell it, that's fine. And go ahead, tell me that you want the kit, and like I said, I'm going to run this for a day so I can go ahead and announce it, because I'm going to mail I would like to mail the package this coming Friday right after work to get it to you so that you guys can get started with us. They're also going to be doing the sew along. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put both of their names across the screen. Stephanie is called Together We Sew. That's Stephanie's. And that's a picture of Stephanie there. And let me get Kristen's up for you here. So Kristen's is Hand Tossed Crafts. And there's Kristen. And see, she's got her giveaway up there. So go check them out, see who won. Even if you won on theirs, you can still win on mine. All you gotta do is say that you want the kit. All right? And like I said, I'll see you next time. See you in the next video announcing the winner. Bye-bye. Take care, everybody.